we guide you through how to fix Android Auto not working. First thing you need to do is to open your phone settings, tap Apps, and search for Android Auto. Then open it and tap Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data to reset the app. Next, go back and open Permissions and make sure Location, Contacts, Phone, and Microphone are all set to allow. After that, go back to Settings, tap Connected Device or Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth off and on to refresh the connection system. Now, go to Settings, Location, make sure Location is turned on, and set it to High Accuracy or Precise Location. Next, open the Google Play Store, search for Android Auto, and make sure the app is fully updated. Then, search and update Google Maps and Google Play services as well. After updating, restart your phone completely. Once your phone turns back on, Android Auto should work properly again because the app permissions and system service has been refreshed.